Here are 9 things in Solana you need to know for today. The first one relates to crypto in general. The SEC, they actually put out a tweet saying the Bitcoin ETF was approved, and apparently they were SIM swapped. And also, check out this AMA tomorrow with Afani and the DJ Ape Academy. This is all about mobile security, and it could save you tens of thousands of dollars. 2. Scammers be scamming. 250k sent to an address, and then it was scammed. 3. The Solana ecosystem call is tomorrow. Anyone can join this, you just need to sign up on the link. 4. $24.5 billion worth of transfers for USD in December. 5. A new NFT, DYOR, has just launched yesterday. The floor price has dipped down, but I think it has some potential. 6. The voyage starts later this week with the heist, and I'm very excited for this. 7. If you ordered a plushie, hopefully you'll be getting them soon, and they come with a little digital egg. 8. 150,000 Phantom installs in 7 days. What Phantom is seeing is ETH people moving to Solana. And 9. If you're a dev in Solana, get yourself on this list. Stay curious, catch you tomorrow.